Dear students, today in this video I am going to discuss about importance of small scale industries. First point is employment generation. Small scale industries have high potential of employment generation as they utilize labor intensive production technique. In the year 2011 and 12, small scale industries have generated 1012.59 lakhs employment. Thus, small-scale industries have continuously increased their employment generation capacity, which is a blessing, especially for a nation having overpopulation like India. Next point is increase in production. Small-scale industries produce necessary goods in nation. They can increase production very sharply. In the year 2011 and 12, small-scale industries produced goods worth rupees 18,34,332 crores. The main feature of this industry is that the production is carried out by using less capital. Next point is increase in production units. Small scale industries give different types of benefits, and due to that, government as well as citizens are keenly interested in it. Rise in production is possible due to rise in production units. In the year 2011 and 12, the number of small scale industrial units was 447.73 lakhs. This shows that development of small scale industries has led India towards industrialization. Next point is exports. Small scale industries have a noticeable role in exports of India. It has exported goods worth rupees 1,77,600 crores in the year 2006 and 7. This way, export of small scale industries show a rising demand for Indian goods in foreign countries. In addition to that, it generates income of foreign exchange, which is very useful to manage imports of required items. Next point is labor intensive production technique. The labor intensive production technique produces goods with the help of laborers. It utilizes more of labor and less of capital. As labor intensive production technique has more scope of employment, that is why it is more suitable to our nation. Next point is saving of foreign exchange. Small scale industries are very useful for India, as on one hand they generate export incomes and on the other hand it reduces India's import expenditure by producing many necessary goods locally. Next point is short period of time. Small scale industries can be started within a very short period of time. As it can start production in a very short period, it is useful to overcome scarcity of goods. Next point is balanced regional development. Small scale industries can be started with less capital, less material and less resources and in any part of the nation. Due to that, benefits of it are not restricted to a fewer developed areas and it makes possible balanced regional development. Now, next point is decentralization. Small scale industries need very less amount of capital and can be started even by small sized producers. Small scale industries utilize different resources, even dormant and passive equipments and resources, which increases the volume of total production. Even these resources which are not used but are now used to generate employment and get income to distribute benefits of production equally, and this is decentralization in real sense. Now last point is high rate of development. Small scale industries can be set up with small amount of capital. So, on one side, a large number of producers can increase the production and income, and on the other side, it brings changes in production as per changes in market. Thus, small scale industries give very high rate of development, which is highly required for a developing nation. So with this, I end up this chapter. Thank you, students.